Hey guys, today in this video I want to go and show you how you can create a creator account for Instagram. Well, how you go and switch your account to a creator or business account with getting lots of insights and information about your account. First of all, you click on the top right bars, then you go to settings. In settings you go to account, and in account you go and switch to professional account. And there you can choose creator or business. I click on creator account. With a creator account you can go and change your profile a bit easier, you get messages, and you can go and promote your videos and many more. When you got that, you need to go and select a category. So I will go and choose digital creator, but you can always go and change it to another one. Also, you have display category label, so it shows which category you are. Now it changes and it says switch to create account, and there's explain everything. Click OK. You are now have a create account. We go and skip that. And now when we go to the top bar, we can go and change insights. And insights you can get the content, how many views you got. We can go to audience, how many followers you got. Also we have activity. It's more like the views and interaction. So when you're on your home screen, go to the messaging, and now you can see the primary and general tab. So it means you can say, hey, you're a business guy, please go, I make you a business general messaging account, whatever. So you can sort it by these two categories. Also, when you go to the notification settings, you can go and switch on and switch off some more options on there. Well, I changed my category. I just go to edit profile, and here I can go now and change my category or leave it. And also I can go and make this option like display category label or not. You can also have contact options with your email or phone, business number. You can also go and connect or create a Facebook page you already got for your business something or your videos. But for now I don't do this. So yeah, also you can go and add your website, you can go and edit your biography. Well, I'll just go change your name. For that I have another video, check it out. Check out my channel if you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment down below, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Hope I'll see you next time. Bye bye.